While traditional luxury cars rely on internal combustion engines, EVs deliver power in a completely different way. Electric motors provide instant torque, meaning luxury EVs can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in a matter of seconds. For example, the Tesla Model S Plaid achieves 0-0-60 mph in under 2 seconds. Without the vibrations and noise of a traditional engine, EVs offer a quieter, smoother ride. With no gears to shift, power delivery is one seamless, uninterrupted flow. Performance-oriented motors, dynamic suspension systems, and active aerodynamics elevate driving dynamics. The Porsche Taycan is a perfect example that combines high-performance driving with luxury features. EVs feature regenerative braking, which recovers energy during deceleration and sends it back into the battery. It enhances performance and energy efficiency. Luxury EVs offer instant torque, smooth acceleration, and regenerative systems that redefine the driving experience. A different kind of thrill, immediate, silent, and effortlessly potent. Beyond sheer speed, there is the quality of the ride. The serene, calming environment elevates the sense of luxury.